Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can screen record on Android. So in most cases you will be able to access your default screen recording tool or the built-in screen recorder app by swiping downwards from the right half of your status bar, expanding or collapsing the control panel. And here, once again, typically by default, you should have the screen recorder tile somewhere over here. As you can clearly see, I do have it indeed. But if you won't find it here, do not be afraid. Just open the control panel editing interface, then scroll down or sideways, depending on the smartphone you have. Anyway, you will need to somehow find the unused tiles list and drag or add the screen recorder shortcut from here to the list of active controls. Now, once this step is out of the way, you will need to once again reopen the control panel, find your screen recording shortcut, tap on it. Then typically before the screen recording will actually begin, you will be required to select settings or preferences. Here, for example, I can select between recording one particular app or an entire screen, as well as change my audio recording preferences from including or not including sound from microphone/system, and everything in between pretty much. Now I can press the next button. Since I selected one app recording, I'll need to select the app that is going to be recorded, so I'll go with photos, for example. Then typically the 3-second countdown is going to start, after which the screen recording begins. Once you're done with recording your screen, you will typically need to either tap on this live notification here, or swipe downwards from the left half of your status bar to open the notification center or the notification panel. And in 99% of cases, you'll have the screen recorder interface or prompt or whatever is that right over here, which will allow you to stop, pause, or finish your screen recording. Some devices, some manufacturers handle the screen recording a bit differently. Instead of having this control or screen recording control section on the notification panel, you will just have the floating window, a little one somewhere, well, whatever you'll put it pretty much on your device's display, which will pretty much also allow you to pause your screen recording, end it, or change some of its preferences. And well, I guess that covers about everything that I wanted to share with you today. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.